Alright, so you know what? I'm going to try on the shoe just so that I'm sure that I'm going to be returning them, because I know it's the same shoe as the other, but I'll be wondering if I don't try it on. I know it's crazy, but I just want peace of mind, so I'm going to try it on so that I know this is a shoe I should not be keeping. This shoe is out of stock because it was a clearance. Hold on, let's wait for that plane to go by. So yeah, this shoe was on clearance, so I don't think they have any more of these in stock, but I'll check, and if they do, I will put the link for you. And this shoe came in many different colors. Do you have this shoe, and what color do you have yours in? And do you have the same issues as I, that your toes slide across with this band? My God, they got this thing. Goodness. All right. Okay, so let's put the shoe on just to ease my I don't know how great my mic is picking up the sounds, but can you hear that frog? Do you hear that sound of that frog? I think it's across the street. Alright. So yes, I love the red color and I love the gold chain. I mean, I can already see outfits that I could wear this shoe with, which makes me sad that it might be a shoe that I can't keep. Because now that means I need to buy some more red shoes. I need to buy some more red shoes. But let's wait, let's see. Well, let's not roll them out yet. Alright. Dang, this shoe, this one too. Alright. So let's stand and see if I have the same issue with these as I do with the other ones. Okay. So standing in them, you're fine. Standing is fine. It's the walk where it gets a bit complicated. So let's see. Follow me, walk with me. Now, wouldn't you know, I seem to be able to walk fine in these. That's odd. Unless I've just gotten so used to the other ones that, I don't know. But that is strange. My toes aren't spreading. My feet aren't over the lip. They're not spreading like the other shoes. It's the exact same shoe, just in a different color. And I can walk in them just fine. How do you explain that? But I'm glad I tried them on, because I definitely were going to return these. But this is a go for me. I am keeping them. All right. I'm happy. So thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you watching. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, because I'm trying to reach 25. Help me get to that 25. Trying to reach 25. And put that bell notification on so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Share it with your friends. please share it. Leave your comments. I love to know your thoughts. I do read them. I will respond. And hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.